Hello friends, the error message is on a screen. Follow the steps to fix it. Method 1. Repair and reset Xbox app. Click on Start. Click on Settings. Select Apps. Click on Installed Apps. Find Xbox. Click on 3 dots. Select Advanced Options. Click on Terminate if Xbox app is running. Click on Repair. Click on Reset. Select Reset. Once completed, restart your computer. Method 2. Uninstall and reinstall the Xbox app. Right click on Xbox and select Uninstall. Restart your computer and then open Microsoft Store. Type Xbox. Select this one, Xbox app. Click on Install. Once installed, click on Open and see if the error is gone. Method 3. Uninstall the Xbox app and delete gameplatformservices.dll. If you don't use the Xbox app, then uninstall it completely and don't install from the store as you have done in the previous method. Because the main reason behind this error is Xbox app. Click on Search. Right click on Xbox. Select Uninstall. Again click on Uninstall. Now delete gameplatformservices.dll from System32 folder. Click on File Explorer icon. Click on this PC. Go to C drive. Double click on Windows folder. Find System32 folder. Open this folder. Now find the DLL file. Game. Use search box to find it. This one is gameplatformservices.dll. Copy this file first. And paste it to a folder. This will work as backup file. Now delete this one. Continue. Restart the computer and see if the error is fixed. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.